you all. Today we are going to learn how to import new font style in Video Scribe. The basic font that is available in Video Scribe is known as basic font style or basic text. We can add new fonts. Before this I will show you that I have some fonts already installed in my Video Scribe. To add new fonts, we will go on Manage Fonts. Click on Manage Fonts. A window will appear, and we can see from here that all of the fonts that are installed in our system, in our laptop PC, all these are shown here. Now whichever fonts we want to add in our Video Scribe, we can just press the plus and the font will automatically install in Video Scribe. I am giving you an example and installing this font. Now let's see. Click on it, the tick button, and this font will get installed from our system to Video Scribe. It will automatically end the process. It will take some time and the font will get installed in our Video Scribe. We will wait for some time and give it some time to install it. Okay, this font have now been installed in our Video Scribe. Now we can use it to give style to our text. From here there is our font style that we have just installed in our Video Scribe. This is the simple procedure to add new font style to Video Scribe. We have also covered other topics. If you have any question, please comment it. We will make video on that topic for you.